Project management methodology is a collection of best practices, templates, guides, standards, rules, techniques, and procedures put in a systemic way on how to manage a project. Usually, PM methodology is developed by experts within an organization, or sometimes purchased from consultants or vendors. It may also be obtained from a professional association like PMI. In some areas, it may be acquired from the government department, especially if government projects are to be worked on. In all cases, the methodology is modified and improved over time through observing its successful and failed application and best practices within the organization. However, since each project is unique, the project management methodology may not be very effective if applied as is. The project manager working with the project team should look at which processes, tools, techniques, and templates are to be applied to the project and which ones need to be left out. For example, an internal project may not require any resources to be hired from outside, so the procurement management processes can be left out. Another example can be where the client is asking for quick delivery of an application and is willing to leave out some testing, and is also willing to accept that the code will have errors. In that case, the defined procedures and templates to be used by the quality control process may be reduced. This is called tailoring the project management process. While deciding to tailor out some processes, procedures, and templates, the project manager should also look at governance and audit requirements. Tailoring out a required procedure or artifact may result in non-compliance when the project gets audited. Here is one aspect which should be considered when making a tailoring decision. Look at the 6 constraints: time, cost, quality, scope, resources, and risk. Every organization and every project will have some strict constraints and some relaxed ones. For example, a client project with a hard deadline may have time as a strict constraint, but the client may be willing to take more risk or spend more money to deliver the scope within the deadline. This means that certain procedures and artifacts in risk management or cost management may be tailored out to reduce the work the project management team has to do. So, use tailoring for the benefit of the project and not to reduce work. A project manager must be able to justify the reasons for tailoring.